this is exactly how you're going to do it. All right, this is exactly how you're going to make money online. If you've been wondering how people actually do this, how people make money online, and you don't know, I'm here to show you ways you can make money online. So stay with me till the end of this video so that you would compare. I'm going to give you the list. You compare and know the best one that works for you and start working on them from today. Note that it's not just about hearing, it's not about just getting this information. Are you going to apply it? Make sure, decide to do it. So by the end of this video, you will have all the information you need. Let's get right into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Cynthia Ifoma and you are welcome to Leaders Dynasty. Please stick around, join the community by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I put out videos like this. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online. All right, I'm going to be showing you a list of ways you can make money online. So you choose the one that best works for you and start earning. All right, so the first one is content creation. All right, so you see lots of people going to content creation like blogging. All right, you can literally start up a blog, start writing, posting articles on your blog and get eyes on your blog. It's all about visibility. When people get to know you, they start placing adverts on you. People pay you to place adverts on your blog, right? And Google can also pay you to for placing their ads on your blog and all that. You can also sell products on from your blog. So it's just about getting eyes, visibility. When people start visiting your blog to get daily updates and all that, right? So when you get like real people looking at your articles, that's when other companies will also want to work with you and place adverts on your blog too. So that's number one. Second one is by creating a YouTube account. So you can put out contents like this, just anything you know you can talk about all day long, like this. So you can just talk about share information on YouTube. People come to YouTube to either be informed, to learn a new skill or learn anything, or be entertained. So in any one you think you can do very well, just do it, and then people will engage with your content. And when you start getting lots of subscribers, let's say up to 1,000 subscribers. So for YouTube, the criteria for monetization is getting up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or even 3,000 watch hours. So from there, YouTube will start placing ads on your videos, and as your subscribers watch your ads, you get paid. You get paid for it. So that's another way you can make money from content creation. And you can also sell products. You can sell products on your account or any platform. Another one is maybe Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, any platform, any social media you find yourself. You see lots of celebrities right now going to content creation because they know the benefit, they know what they are getting from it. So you can literally sell a product. You can teach, you can just teach on your channel, whether YouTube or any other social media platform. Choose the platform that works for you, or the best platform for you, and start putting out content. It's all about visibility for content creation, actually, or for every other thing. When people start to see your content and engage with your content, right, so they would either call you for collaboration. Brands will start putting out their adverts, using you for their adverts. They pay you to talk about their, maybe to post a review about their product, to use their product, or things like that. So you start collaborating with other content creators to promote your channel, to promote what you do, for other brands to see you also and collaborate with you. So it's also a way to make money online. There are lots of money to be made. So if you think you're good with content creation or writing, you already know which one. So you already know the one that works for you, and you know where to channel your energy or your strength. All right, to maximize it. The next one on the list is freelancing and remote work. All right, so if you have a skill that you can offer for to get paid for, right? You offer your services and then you get paid for it, like video editing, because lots of YouTubers need people to help them with their video editing. Video editing takes time to bring your videos together. So if you learn the skill, you can literally be hired by any content creator or even directors to help edit a video, right? If you're good with it. And I also put out contents about video editing on my channel. Maybe you can check it out if you want to go into that. You can check it out, learn from me, join my community, and become better at it so that you can offer the service and get paid in return. Remote work, there are different works. You can start to work remotely, right? You can learn programming, you can learn different skills. You can become a virtual assistant. You can just there are lots of things you can learn online. Web development, mobile development, and all that. Whatever it is you think, wherever your strength is, you feel like this is something I can do, you can just go into it, learn about it, become very good at it, and then offer your service and get paid for it. It's as simple as that, and you make very good money from remote work. From doing just that, you get paid very well for it. All right, so consider doing that. Another way you can make money online is by selling a product, selling something, whatever. It might not be your product, it might literally be another product. Maybe it's something you saw online and you just share. That's what they call drop shipping, right? Where you don't have to take care of the inventory or the delivery or anything. So you just refer people to that particular product you saw online, and then you get paid a commission for it. That's like affiliate marketing. And going to drop shipping or e-commerce, just sell something online. When people see that thing and they like it, they want it, right? You just promote a product and then get paid for it. Literally, just like normal online selling or even physical selling, just promoting it online helps you make lots more cash. All right, the next one we have here is by selling online courses. Let's say you have a very good knowledge about something and you want to get paid for it. You want to offer this, you want to teach people, you like to teach, right? You can just you can create a course and put it out on Udemy or Teachable. All right, put out your course there and then advertise, talk about your course on your social media platforms, talk about it. People who are interested will go and purchase your course, and that's another way you are offering value. You're offering value and people are paying you for your knowledge. All right. So the next on the list is investing and trading. You can literally trade cryptocurrency, the stocks, or forex trading. All right. So it's another very good way of making good money online. Just if you're someone who wants to go into cryptocurrency or you're already into it, obviously I think before you go into this, you need to study. You need to study about, you need to know, get lots of information about it, or maybe get a mentor, someone who's already into this, and then let them guide you through it. It's not something, since it has to do with investing, putting your money into it, you have to be very careful about it. So the next one on the list is online surveys. These ones are like micro tasks that you can just do online and just get paid, just little sums online, right? So some people want you to write a review or just take a survey about something. They are trying to gather information in order to, put out, maybe to make a decision at the end based on the information that they gather, right? So you just help them to take the survey or maybe do different kind of tasks like capture or data entry, typing and all that. Help them drop a review, things like that. Those little things, tasks like that, micro tasks, we call them micro tasks. So just helping them do these micro tasks online can also get you money, right? You just look for websites that offer this micro tasks. When you do it, you get paid online. So it's another way to work remotely, right? So if you're looking for a remote job, and you don't have anything doing right now, you can just look up all these things and decide the one that best works for you. Try them out one after the other and decide the one that best work for you, and then stick with it. Learn more about it, become better at it, and offer your services. If you offer your services, literally, it's when you give value, you get paid. So you give value and then you get paid at it. I've exhausted my list. Those are the ways you can make money online. If you're looking for ways you can make money online, just check out all of them. If you've watched this video up until this point, that means you've gotten all this. You've taken note of everything that I've mentioned in this video. So look at all of them and know the one that best works for you, and then you start doing it. You can literally get resources online here on YouTube, study about it, and then start doing something. But then I would always advise you go through all of them and know the one that best works for you. If you're good with writing, if you're good with teaching, if you're good with creating contents like this, anyone, or maybe drop shipping, selling things online, just go for the one that best works for you and then put your energy. When you work on it, you only get better at it. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please hit the subscribe button if and turn on the notification bell if you haven't subscribed already to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. All right.